Okay, YouTube, I've got my welder going, as you've all seen, and it's going beautifully now. I've actually glued the transformer down, and I got rid of the spare cable that I didn't need. Now here's my sewing machine connector down to there. So this is just a straight old Singer sewing machine connector, which when pressed, if you can hear that, it's actually charged. It's using the power, so it switches on and off the machine. There's an adjustment for how much current you're using and what amount of time you're going to be transmitting for. I've got it 17 and 90. It seems to be working quite well. They're not the best welds around. It's my first time playing with a welder, so but I can't get the bloody thing apart. That's one good thing, and it does it really quick. So yeah, so for what do I pay? Oh look, the board itself that I've used in here is probably about $23–24 Australian. The transformer I got for free. The box cost me $5. The cable for the box, let's say $1. So, and that thing down there about $2. So I had this as well from another $1. So what, less than $40. I've got this thing all up and running. Other than the cable, I had the cable hanging around here, so yeah, you'll have to go and buy that. And I've used some heavy duty car terminals, and my actual prongs, if you can see them, my prongs are actually just a bit of plumbing pipe that I've knocked up and cut into the position, so once they die I can just unbolt them and put some new stuff in, which is good. Trying to think, do I do anything else? No, that was about it. So yeah, that one's going, so I'm happy with that. I reckon if I got a pair of pliers and tried to pull that apart, I'm not going to be able to, nor the other side either. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, no. But what I really need to know, and I know there's a lot of people out there that do this, I bought this cable. This is all I got. That much meterage of a cable. That wouldn't do jack shit. So if you guys are buying this nickel copper plating, can someone leave me a message on where they're getting this stuff reasonably cheap? That would help. And other than that, I'll just show you what else I've been doing, and we'll leave it at that. So a couple of days ago I got this. They charged me $20 at the recycle yard for it. Don't know whether I got ripped off or not, but look at the metal in it. It's not bad. The other side's got another door. It's on wheels as well, if you didn't just notice. And it's got blockers underneath it to stop it from shutting down. Now, I don't know whether I can get a key to replace that key, but yeah, I'll see what we can do with that and get that fixed. So that was all that was left in it. It came out of an old hospital. They were throwing it to the tip, so I picked it up. While I was at that recycle yard, oh, not that recycle yard, another recycle yard, I picked up another PC power supply. Now it's a really old school. If you guys remember old school power supplies where you switched it on at the front, that's what I got. And I got that thrown in because I bought a trailer off them that was just sitting. Someone just dumped it there and said, "Oh, take it off me tip fees," and I've just bought it off them. So I needed a spare trailer. I've cleaned it out. It runs. It's putting out a bit more than 5 volts. I'll have to adjust that. But this is like old school. This is made in Taiwan, and it's made of proper metal and shit like that. It's not like the new stuff you get nowadays. And that's about it, what I've been doing. I have been doing a bit of 3D printing at the moment. I do need to get this old 3D printer on running again, and that'll be next. And I'll have to get the CR10 back and start printing up some stuff so that I can start putting together some battery packs. Yeah. Other than that, I've got a network running down to my shed, which facilitates me doing batteries, but my my coder isn't working at the moment, so if I turn it on real quick, Brett sent me the stickers. Thanks, Brett. Stealth says I should pay you a little bit more for the stickers because, you know, that's fair enough for the server. And yeah, that doesn't do anything, but it does grab my network, and because you can't see it, it's good. But it's sitting there grabbing the network, still grabbing the network. Anyway, so it's done a complete check. Look, I'm going to build another one of these. I've got one on the bench that's not working very well, but I will get it going. But I can tell you that it does really like its stuff. Like if I press here, I'm getting nothing up there. So yeah, it's a bit of a problem. I can press the button and let it go through, but it's a bit of a hot day, so I'm not going to run it today. I will be running it soon. Hopefully I'll get some information on it. I do have to replace another thing I'm doing. I've got to replace the main CPU on this because it bricked itself. Unless someone knows how to unbrick it, would be great. It'd save me a lot of time, because I'm thinking of using that in that over there, that old 3D printer, to do stuff with, so I can start printing off stuff for my batteries, and then I've got to get enough sealing stuff to seal everything up. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'm sorry if I wandered off into different arrays of things I'm doing, but I thought you guys might want to know what's happening around the shop. Anyway, catch you later. Bye.